Hi friends, welcome to my channel. I'm going to show you how to make guacamole from the avocados. Avocado is one of the fruit, so it's very healthy and you can find it in any supermarket. So now I'm going to cut the avocados into two halves. This is the way. So be careful guys, when you're cutting the avocados, it's very risky because there's a big seed inside which you can cut your hand to. The avocados need to be ripe when you making some dish. If it is raw, it will not gonna taste that great. So once you're gonna give a slit to the avocado in a knife, so you need to twist the avocado from either side, and then you can open the avocados this way. So one side you're gonna have a seed, one side is gonna be like seedless. So I'm gonna show you how to take out the seeds from the avocado. So basically all what you need to do guys, your knife and hand need to be very careful when you're taking the avocado seed. There is a lot of chances to cut your finger and cut your hand too. So this is the edge of the knife. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put inside in the avocado seed little bit and I'm gonna lift the seed in this way. So this is a very simple, there is no risk, no chance to cut a hand at all. Leave it them in the side. Now, here we go, it's dancing. So what I'm gonna do is the main thing for guacamole, half of the avocados I'm gonna scoop. Basically I need to scoop both the avocados, but I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do with the half of the avocados and other half of the avocados. Here we go. Yeah, so this is the one half of the avocado and I'm gonna go through the other half as well in the same process. There we go. So one side I'm gonna keep it this way, other side I will keep it opposite. I need to smash the avocados, and some of the avocados I need chunks. So this is the technique how to smash the avocados and how to keep the chunk. So this is a one avocado into two halves. So half avocado I'm going to use into mashing and another half I'm going to use for cubes. So I'm going to keep the avocado separate, what I'm going to do the cubes. And now this is the time to smash the avocados with the fork. You need a fork nice and clean, and this is the way you need to smash the avocados with a fork. I need to have a meshy. If your avocado is ripe, it's gonna be like very nice and smooth. If it is little bit raw, then it's gonna be like you can't use that avocado for guacamole. You can use it for any other salad. So this is very important. Here we go guys. So this is like the smashed avocados is ready. So I'm going to transfer this avocado in a bowl. Half avocado is already smashed, and half avocado I'm going to make it cubes. So I'm going to turn it over and I'm going to slice this avocado in a small thin slices. I'm gonna cut into middle. Two slices in the middle, and now I'm gonna start chopping the avocados. Look at this guys, it's nice small cubes of the avocados. It looks amazing. So this was the smashed avocados from before, and now I'm gonna use a cubes avocado in the same bowl. Now it's time to add the picado gallo in the guacamole. This is the picado gallo, what I had made it previously. So the recipe is already in my description box. I'm gonna use this picado gallo into the guacamole. So this is gonna give a nice lemony flavor crunchy flavor for guacamole. So now I'm gonna add a little coriander, and this is the final touch I'm gonna give with lemon, the fresh lemon juice. Look at this, guys, this looks so amazing. So now I'm gonna mix it everything together. When you're taking the bite with the nachos, God, this is amazing, guys. You're gonna feel the crunchiness of avocados and the picado gallo. This is famous in Latin America. Try this same recipe in your own kitchen and you can feel the flavor of Latin American guacamole. So this guacamole is ready, guys. So this is very healthy if you want to try. This can be eaten by toast bread, like any of the healthy brown bread, or maybe you can try yourself however you like to. My next recipe gonna be like toast avocado bread as well. So like I'm gonna show you how we gonna do this toast avocado with guacamole. And this guacamole goes well on nachos as well. And this is delicious, guys. Just try it because this is all Latin American product. This can be done in your own kitchen because you have everything up there. Just you need to know how to mix and put a proper and give them on a proper address. So it's very simple. If you like my video, guys, please give me a thumbs up and give me a comment. So like when you try it, if you feel any difficulty, please do comment and let me know. So like where you start and I can follow you up. Thank you for watching, guys.